Good morning, guys. It is a brand new day. Today is my first day of school. Yeah! My first class doesn't start until like 6, so I have time to like relax and like do whatever. I already like woke up, brushed my teeth, I got breakfast, but right now I'm just gonna get ready. I'll show you guys like my outfit and all that. Yeah, if you guys enjoy this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and yeah, I'll see you in like 5 seconds. So like today's outfit is basically sponsored by Brandy because I'm wearing this cute like Brandy top, and then I'm wearing the Tilden pants, and then I'm also wearing my Air Force Ones, so I will show you guys. And I'm just gonna wear my Air Force Ones, and you know, I'm just rocking the all white look. I think this is really cute, and yeah, so this is what my outfit's looking like. Yeah, I think this is so cute. I'm just feeling the blue vibes today. Yeah, I got these like gold clasps that I can like put in my hair, so I'm gonna do that right now, and then I'm going to do my makeup. This is what campus is looking like right now. Everyone's kind of, you know, walking around, being so studious. My view is actually really nice, so yeah. Okay, so I think I'm gonna put these gold clasps in my hair right now. I don't really know how I'm gonna do it, but we're just gonna figure it out as we go. I kind of just did this like protective style just because like I didn't really want to deal with my hair, so yeah. And I think I'm also going to be getting braids soon, so like I did 2 little, I don't know, something light, you know. I think I'm going to put these behind my ear just because like I don't know. Right now we're going to move on to makeup. So the first thing that I'm going to use is the Glossier Perfecting Skin Tint in the color Deep, and I'm just going to put this all over my face. It gives super light coverage, so I like that, and it's just like perfect for just everyday wear. So I like to put it on my hands first and then like kind of dot it everywhere I need to put it. Sorry if I'm looking over here, it's because my light is over here. It's like you're putting on moisturizer, like, and like once you put it on you don't really see the difference, but then as you wear it throughout the days, like it looks a lot better. So now that we're done with that, I'm just gonna do my eyebrows, and I'm using the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. So next I'm going to be taking my Tarte concealer, and this is in the color Deep as well, and I'm just going to put a little dot. I'm not going to go crazy with this concealer because it's super like full coverage, so I'm going to use as little as possible. So just like that, and that's it. Like that is it. And then I'm just going to set my concealer with the Laura Mercier translucent medium deep setting powder. And I'm taking the tiniest bit, just putting it under my eyes. Last but not least, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty lip gloss, and I'm using the Gloss Bomb, and I'm just going to put this on my lips. This is the completed makeup look. Yeah, super simple. I'm not even putting on mascara because no. So this is what my outfit is looking like. Have the shirt, the pants, and then the Air Force Ones. Yeah, I just think the Air Force Ones look really cute with this outfit. So who said you can't wear white after Labor Day? Excuse me? Like what? Because you can. Don't let anybody tell you that. So that was it for my like get ready with me. I'm sorry this is like a really quick video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I love you guys so much, and just stay tuned for more college videos. I'm so excited to be putting out so much content for you guys. Yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.